Woo! Who's ready to ride the lightning? Well, you know us, we're always ready for a trip on the lightning strike. So we got some Mountain Dew. You guys have seen the title of the video, so you know what's going on. We're going to the track. We're going to take the SilverCar. The last couple times we've been to the track, or actually been quite a few times now, we've been driving stuff that's you know, not super fast, but we've had a good time. But we figured we'd take something, you know, with a little bit more pop under the hood. So we're going to take the old SilverCar. We need to run it anyway, get some more data on it, you know, from where we went to the dyno. And we just want to make some more hits on it before we do the head swap. Don't know when that's going to happen. Got a lot of stuff going on. I think that's fairly apparent. We have a lot of project cars. We got more project cars than we have time and money. But, you know, I guess that's a good problem to have. So, at least it is to me. So we're going to take SilverCar. Kev Dog's going to be up there. I think Kojak, Brad 331 is going to be there. Jonathan might be there. Pirate's out of town. And of course, everyone's favorite scientist is supposed to be there, David. He's going to have his red car. So, I got to take the passenger seat out and you know, load the cooler, load the tires, get my helmet, you know, get my jack, make sure my chair, make sure I don't forget anything. That happens a lot. So let me get to that, and we'll see you guys at the track. Let's have some fun. Let's go have a good day. It is also overcast. It's pretty cool, a lot of moisture in the air, and supposedly they're gonna have one lane prepped and one lane unprepped because they're having some kind of no prep thing next weekend. So we'll have to find out which is the good lane, because that will be the lane we will be getting in. So, all right, well, there you go. Got all the information. Got the 411. And let me get loading this garbage up, and we'll see you at the track, like I just said. Hold on. Let's get it started. Let's start this off proper. All right, now we're ready to party. Oh my God. All right, we're here, Kojak. What's it gonna run today?
Hoping for teens.
17s.
But if it doesn't leave good, I'll be happy with 40s.
That is a huge swing, bro.
It is. I don't know what the friggin' intake's gonna do.
It's gonna kick some butt, dude.
I mean, it feels good.
Feels good. Feels good.
Then I ain't launching on the street.
Yeah.
You know.
What's the best this car's ran?
A 20.
20 flat?
Yeah.
And that was with the RPM on it or whatever?
Yeah, or the
Stealth.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
you put with a 650. All you changed was a Victor Jr.
and a 750.
And a 750.
Yeah.
That's a man's carb, son. All right.
Yeah, so we'll see.
All right. 331 AFR heads, F-cam,
Yeah.
TKO 600, 410s, 2610 slicks,
Yeah.
and probably weighs 32.
Well, it weighs 28 with me out of it.
With you out of it?
In it 30, 50.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm with you. I'm with you. If we was 150 pounds, these things would be fast.
Yeah.
All right, get up there and kill it.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, guys, first pass. good start.
Pass.
The 40.
740?
Yeah, the 40. So it felt good though.
Do what?
It felt good though. So I left a little softer. I'm gonna leave it a little harder this time, and because it cut at 167, so I'm gonna leave it a little harder, and then friggin' not let up this time. See if it'll power shift again. But
What was the first pass?
28.
28. Woo! We're almost there.
Brad run.
40.
Second pass. Got a coyote over there. Oh, he double bowled me too.
Finally, he's Mr. Gear in the SilverCar. He is immortal, people. Don't think otherwise.
Damn it, my shoe slipped. Son of a... Oh, Rodney. We still crushed that guy. Dang it. That hurt, guys. Dang it. We ain't missed a gear in this one in a while. Guess we were just due. Crap. Thank you. 772, 151 to 60 foot. Dang it. That hurt. That hurt. Oh man. Third pass. Just try not to screw this one up. Okay, now we can go rest. Dang it, Rod. That's disappointing, guys. On myself. Disappointing. That's okay. Thank you. 150, 727, 93.0 on a third hot lap. So we'll take that. Third.
All right, so what was those 2 passes?
A 72. My foot slipped when I hit the clutch, missed third. But I had that coyote covered, so I went ahead and
Yes.
and then it went to 27 on the third hot lap.
Woo! Hey, what was that second pass, B-Red?
It's a 55. I blew the tires off. Got all the way out and come right back
saw.
in.
Point that at me. Now point it at that, and then point it at this guy.
Scientist.
That does not look like a red car. That looks suspiciously like a science mobile. That
Excuse
is not the racing man's machine.
Is he complaining?
Hey, why ain't she just driving? You make her swap at the gate so you look like a man when you rode in?
Yeah.
I'm a Ranger, baby. You kidding me? Look at the tag on the front.
Oh man, that don't help. It's her car. She can do what she wants with it.
Yeah, right.
Last pass you just
72.
ran. Right on.
Nice slow 72.
I did not even film those passes, Brad. You gonna power shift it today?
I'm thinking about it.
What'd it run on those 2?
Another freaking 40. That one's a 48, so it's bad trade. I don't think
Look
the
at
science is working.
You know, what?
I'm gonna get rid of the science here.
Oh no. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go make a pass, see what happens. Get my magic on. 4th pass.
Sounded like you lifted there going 1-2.
No, I didn't lift it. It just
Really?
died.
Oh, really? Oh, dang. I was about to say, I think that's the first time I'd ever heard you lift.
I didn't lift it.
Yeah.
It just died.
It just
When
sputtered.
When I pulled second, it just,
Huh. Sounds like you need to go carbureted.
I don't know what it was. What's it gonna run? The YouTube, I have not filmed literally any of your fastest today, but I'm gonna film the one that counts. What's it gonna run? 717. You fixing to kill every gear in this thing. Huh?
We'll go for it. We'll give it all.
Well, I believe in you if you don't believe in yourself.
Look at
Get that further down.
Get that.
Sponsored by
It's
Ford.
upside down. Maybe that's the problem.
Well, he's got to go across his nipple so it don't shave.
Yeah, get that cleavage in there. All right. Yeah, I'm with you on that. I got a little bit myself. All right, here we go. Kevin put the camera on the winner. Got up here just in time for Big Block Kyle to take on this Coyote. Kyle's ran a couple of 770s today. And since scoreboards are down, we'll have to ask him what he ran when we get back. And killed him to the end of the track. Brad's fixing to get it done. There's all kinds of trenches around here. That's his best pass of the day. Even though we won't know what it is. We'll go find out. What'd it run?
40 again.
Damn, it left hard.
I know it. That hood about flew up.
Power shift. Brad on a hot lap. Whoa. Second. Damn it.
The hood almost flew up on me.
All right.
Across the line, the left kid slipped back. And like that right there, I had to get on the brakes. Real hard.
This is what we call the redemption run.
Yeah. That was bad.
Would you just telling Kevin about what happened on second gear?
No, well, I told him this best 60 foot. It's a 161 60 foot.
There's a what?
It's 61.
161 60
Yeah,
foot?
yeah.
That's the best today?
Well, today, yeah. It's not been 60 and good.
Dang.
Yeah.
I thought that one when it left out,
That one was a.
I thought that was going to be in the 150s or something. It looked pretty wicked.
Yeah, it felt good. That one was 67.
Dang.
Yeah.
Crap.
So I'm losing it in the 60 foot, and then just freaking I can't drive.
I don't
That's the other
know.
part.
What's a 48 in this thing? Be done.
Oh yeah, right.
All right, crap. What's it going to run on this one?
I mean, I'd be happy with freaking 30s at this point.
I hear you. I thought that one was going to be like a high 20 or a 30. I said,
Right.
damn, he's on a pass.
Right.
And
Because it wasn't there.
yeah, you said 40. I was like,
Yeah. And that one's a 46 or 48 at that.
dang.
Yeah.
All right.
Bad shape.
Got killer mile an hour, man. You just got to get this thing working.
I know it.
Dang it. Brad on the redemption run. Missed second on that last pass. We ain't about that life. He fixed this come up here. Double bulbed again by the Coyote. Man, just get that car where you can power shift it. Be on to something. What was the last one?
54.
That's weird.
What was it?
54?
54. It's bad shape.
Damn, man.
Bad freaking shape.
Damn, Kojak. Oh well.
I need to bring the stash back or something.
Hey, maybe so.
So that's
Maybe so.
A little bit. So the reason I did that is because I was having trouble out of it. Oh, you greased the shifter?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
What'd you run on your last one, Kyle?
73.
Yeah. Good Lord, man. Got me nuts.
Telling you.
Especially today, it's, cool
level out.
This is like the perfect day, you know.
Gonna hot lap it. Thank you. 27, 150 flat. Hot lap. We may make more. Why the hell not? Thank you. 149, 724 at 93. Boom! Personal best, baby. Don't get in the dirt, bud. Good job, buddy.
What was that again?
27 and a 24.
Woo, new personal best.
Sorry guys, I forgot to turn the camera back on. My bad. Kev Dog got it from outside, but my bad. Thank you. Oh, another 24. Getting nasty now. I mean, it's like a carbon copy. This 93.38, 724 to 6, 149 to 7. It's like a carbon copy. This thing's getting nasty. Just getting flat out nasty. We may make another hit. I was going to call it a day, but we may make another.
What was it?
24 again. It's like
Oh.
a carbon copy of the pass before.
And what was the?
That was a third hot lap though.
Yeah, I
27,
noticed.
24, 24 mile an hours are all the same. 60 foots were it's 150, 149, 149.
Right on.
Take home the cash.
I may make another lick. Maybe let the sun go down. Maybe the track is cool.
Sun.
Now he's done got excited because he got a couple of 24s.
Sun.
Let the temperature drop a hair. Maybe.
Sun, look at the sun. Yeah.
Yeah, I know what sun, but you know.
That first 24, that was thanks to me. I
Oh,
stood right behind the car, you know, like the Jets have the
Right.
thing, and
oh, and
pushed off me.
I got some. Yes,
And it liked it so much it did it again.
I could tell on the launch. I could tell. I was like, oh, this thing felt like I catapulted. What's going on?
He kicked the back bumper.
Yeah. Don't kick it too hard. There ain't no bumper there. Might be another 720. Thank you. go again, hot lap. Car moved around a little bit on that one too, on the 2-3.
Die-hard Chevy guy all my life. I tell you what, this man right here has made a believer out of me. You want to have a fast car and do it for cheap, Spotty Mustang, the way to go.
Missed third, but other than that, aces. So had a lot of fun. Love driving this thing. So now it's time to change tires and head on to the whataburger.
Okay, so give me the good news.
60 foot's backed up. Track ain't there.
Oh.
It's like 53, 53, 54 on the 60 foot. It went at 32 on the first one. Did you see it drift over to the wall? Yeah, I had to drive it back into the center. And then it went at 26 and a 28. The 60 foots were not good. I mean, it was on the 24s, they were 49s. So just, you know.
It is what it is.
Hey, I can't complain, man. I think I made 10 hits today. Besides the third gear miss and the second gear, they were all good hits. I mean, I think everything's been in the 20s except for that one oddball 32 that was a clean pass. That one oddball 32. So I think that's seven. That would have been 720 passes. So right on. I can't complain. Had fun. All right, we are rolling out. Headed to the whataburger. Just be me and the Kev dog, but we are under our own power, which is always nice. So, see you guys in a little bit. Maybe we'll show some whataburger. Show you them yummy chicken strips. See you guys in a minute. Callie, it's blah 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 time, not explore the shop time. I swear, she gets into everything. Get in that shame box. Get in it. Look at her. She gonna go all over the place. Golly, just gets into everything. What do you get? Look at you. Go. Daggum cat. Hey guys, it's blah 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 time. We're kind of up close and personal. Callie is running around in here. I mean, it's obvious. Walter's in here. He's sitting up on the dirty pickle over there. Callie's going all over the place. She gets excited. When I come out to the shop, she comes running out here. She wants to get all up in it. Anyway, let's go ahead and wrap this up. This video is kind of long already. We took the SilverCar to the track. We had a great time. Kevin was up there, Kev Dog, and Kojak. was up there with us. Cheese Puff just walked in. Kojak was up there with us. He, as we said in the video, he changed over from his Stealth and 650 combo to a Vic Jr. 750. He hasn't got it all scienced out yet, and he was trying to add air to the tires, and he just couldn't get the car to leave. I mean, it's a, you know, backed it up pretty good, ET wise, from where he had been. The weather was pretty good. I mean, I'll have the DA in with the time slips, but we had a great time. We had the one missed gear. You guys saw Dr. Fury's, oh yeah, excited and whatever. That was, like I say, that was my bad. The daggum foot just slipped off the clutch pedal. But other than that, we had a great time. We made 11 hits. A lot of them, I say, were hot laps. We ran three sets of threes, and then 2 passes. So it was a lot of fun. So didn't break anything. That's, you know, I guess that's pretty much it. Let's go take a look at the time slips, and I'll put you guys out of your agony of having to watch me stumble through this. Here we go. Our first lick out of the gate was 153, 728, 93 and a half. We poured it around and hot lapped it and promptly missed third gear. That was my bad. Foot hit the clutch, blah, blah, blah. We can probably say that was another 720 pass, but, you know, we screwed the pooch. Then we brought it back around. This was our third hot lap, or second hot lap, third pass in a row. Went 727, 9308. So then we wouldn't let it sit and rest for a minute, and we came back, and it did some kind of weird thing. When I power shifted second, it just almost like died, and then just came back to life, and it killed the ET. And the mile an hour was okay, but it's just weird. So of course we hot lapped it, ran right back where we were, 149, 727, 93. The 60 foot is more a testament to the track crew. We've got, at this point in time, probably about 230 passes on those tires. So that's a testament to the track guys. Then we let it rest, came back around, 150, 727 at 93.1, hot lapped it, 149, 724 at 93.3, hot lapped it for our second hot lap, a carbon copy. I mean, it's almost an identical pass. Then we let it rest, brought it back around, 732, drove over toward the wall a little bit, and I had to really kind of pull it back in. Then we hot lapped it, went a 26, which I'm happy with that considering the 60 foot backed up as much as it did. And then we hot lapped it one more pass, 28, you know, and by then it was time to go home. So we had 11 hits. Now, in all honesty, I was just having fun, you know, after one of the passes. I just wanted to make another lap. It's like riding a roller coaster. You just get off and then run back and get in line and ride it again. So that's pretty much what we were doing. So we had a great time, made a bunch of hits, didn't break nothing. So let's get back and let's wrap this train wreck up. Okay, yay, we're back. Look at that, movie magic, like we always do. So you saw the time slips. Our slowest pass, kicking out the 40 and the 72, was a 32. The car drifted, and I had to really drive it back in the middle of the track. But we ran, you know, everything else. Our fastest was a 24's personal best, 224s, pretty happy with that. And then some 27s, 26, 28, so it's pretty consistent. Track was in good shape. So all in all, it was, you know, it was a great night, a lot of fun. So anyway, we, you know, this is a train wreck. I just got off work, so I'm all kind of messed up. So anyway, so I'm sorry for the whatever we got going on here. I guess we'll just call this substandardness. Yeah, that pretty much fits the bill. So anyway, until next time. Oh, and we also, you know, we really need to get some more data, some more numbers on the SilverCar before we do the head swap. I will get to that when I can. We just got a lot going on with cars, we're just kind of pecking at one car at a time, and it seems like we're not getting anything done, but we're getting little bits of things done to other cars. But we did need to get some more data on the SilverCar for when we do the head swap, so we'll have more of an apples to apples comparison. So now, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Well, only if you're up close. And until next time on the Substandard Leader, and that we are the Substandard Leader in Fox Body videos, lover of 4 eyes, POS Mustangs. Dirty Pickle is right there. We still got it. We still need to do work on it. Vans and Lincolns. We'll see you guys later. No magic disappearing this time.